Welcome to Research Watch. Here you can catch a key idea of published research paper in less than 5 minutes. I hope it will help you to select the paper for your further reading, knowledge or research purposes. Viewer, today's paper is about hydroxypropylmethyl cellulose HPMC cross-linked Chitosan based scaffolds containing bioactive glass and zinc oxide for alveolar bone repair. Rabia Zishan is the lead author. Viewers, the success of dental implant relies on the presence of an optimal alveolar ridge. The aim of the study was to fabricate HPMC cross-linked Chitosan based scaffolds for alveolar bone repair. The results of the study indicated that HPMC cross-linked CHBG foams represent better morphological structure 132 to 90.5 μm and mechanical response 0.45 MPa with 100 mggb as confirmed by SEM analysis and fatigue testing respectively. Cytotoxicity analysis at day 2, 4 and 8 demonstrated that all composites were non-toxic and supported cellular viability. Calcium AM, propydium iodide staining, offset nuclear staining and cell adhesion assay reiterated that scaffolds supported pre-osteoblast cell growth, adhesion and proliferation. Differentiation potential of pre-osteoblast cells was enhanced as confirmed by alkaline phosphate assay. Furthermore, loss of S aureus viability as low as 35% was attributed to synergistic effects of components. Overall, the results of the study suggest that HPMC cross-linked scaffolds are potential candidates for alveolar bone repair. This article was published in the Journal of Carbohydrate Polymers in August 2018. Viewer, I hope you found this video useful. I would really appreciate your feedback. Please don't forget to subscribe and follow the channel. Thank you.